Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to today's video. Today, we'll be diving deep into the power of assumption and exploring the psychological insights that can help you create your dream life. So, without further ado, let's get started. Introduction to the Law of Assumption. The Law of Assumption is a powerful concept that can help you shape your reality by assuming that your desires are already true. It's based on the belief that our assumptions, whether conscious or subconscious, dictate our experiences and outcomes in life. So by changing our assumptions, we can change our lives for the better. It was Yeshua 2,000 years ago who said, "When you pray, if you believe or assume that you have already received it, you will have it." The role of psychology. Now you may be wondering how psychology plays a role in the law of assumption. Well, our brains are constantly processing information and making decisions based on our beliefs, emotions, and past experiences. By understanding the psychological mechanisms behind our thought processes, we can better utilize the law of assumption to manifest our desires. We must become masters of our own minds. Changing your assumptions. So how can you change your assumptions to create your dream life? First, identify any limiting beliefs or negative assumptions that may be holding you back. Next, replace these with positive, empowering assumptions that align with your goals and desires. For example, if you assume that you're not capable of quadrupling your monthly income, replace that assumption with the belief that you are more than capable and deserving of it. Visualization techniques. One effective way to reinforce your new assumptions is through visualization. Spend time each day visualizing yourself living your dream life, with your desired outcomes already achieved. Don't focus on the how, but rather focus on living in the end of your desired outcome. The more vivid and detailed your mental images, the stronger the impact on your subconscious mind, which in turn helps to manifest your desires. Scripting your dream life. Another powerful technique is scripting, which involves writing down your desired reality as if it has already happened. This process helps you to clearly define your goals, desires, and the assumptions that support them, making it easier for your subconscious mind to accept these new beliefs as truth. In conclusion, by understanding the psychological insights behind the power of assumption, you can harness this incredible tool to create your dream life. Remember to identify and replace limiting beliefs, practice visualization, and try scripting to reinforce your new, empowering assumptions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on transforming your life.